Hi there guys, so this is a prep for a nice grade 10 SBA. So this task is about looking at the possibility if temperature can actually have an effect on transpiration pull. So I've got here a beaker with ice cold water, room temperature, and I'm going to add some of the kettle hot water to this one. Then the celery is going to be cut in 3 equal sizes. This is not correct. The kids need to figure this out. They need to find a way to make sure that maybe this could be 1, 2, and 3. Then they're going to add it, the hot water, the room temperature, and the cold water. And they're going to cut the celery underneath the water. Then they're going to add a bit of food coloring. I'm going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then they're going to measure by cutting the stems afterwards to see how far up the xylem vessels the food coloring has traveled. Then they're going to write an investigation. So obviously in the investigation they're going to have an aim, they're going to be writing all of the variables, they come up with a hypothesis, they're going to showcase me all of the apparatuses that we've used. And they're going to also have to write down the method. That means all of the steps that was taken to do this experiment. Then obviously the results, they're going to record all of the results in a table format. And then from that table, they're going to analyze the results and draw a graph. Now in this case, because we've got hot and room temperature and cold, it's going to have to be a bar graph. Then lastly, they're going to have to come up with a conclusion to tell me if their hypothesis was met or correct. And that's a nice grade 10 experiment. I am going to take some videos as well and show you while the kids are doing it what it looks like. But a fun activity for grade 10 life sciences. So at the moment, the learners have got a piece of paper and they are now writing down the first 3 bullet points. So let me show you the piece of paper that I have for them. It's a little bit loud here, so I hope you guys can hear me. So each learner received this, the hypothesis testing. The research question is, how does temperature affect the water movement through xylem? Now, within 10 minutes, they are writing down the names of the learners in each group, then also the apparatus that they will use, and then the method. So these are the steps that they think that they're going to use. All right. So from here, I take this in. Then the learners are going to get a piece of paper, and they're going to put their data on here. Then I'm going to take that in as well. The next day, they are going to write the reports for me. And then that's it. You can see the kids are busy writing.
Cái bên nó chả vui đấy chứ mà